guys, it's Lynette here, and today I have a home bargains haul for you. I love home bargains, it's one of my favourite shops to go to, and I do try and persuade my husband to take me once a month. I always say that we need cleaning stuff, which we always do, but I always manage to pick up a few extra bits while I'm there. So the items that I was really pleased to see are these kitchen square lock storage jars. So I've got one in pink and one in grey. Now, I have a lot of joint pain. I've got trigger finger as well, which means that my fingers lock. And quite often I can't unscrew jars and my storage. So they've got this, one's about half this size in Marks and Spencer's for about a £5, which I am going to get from a tea and my coffee. But I thought this was £3 and it come in ideal for storage, for pasta, for cereal, for whatever. But the unique part about it is the lock bit at the top. So you just, I don't let you see that. So you just kind of open it. So you open it there and it opens up. And you close it again and it locks and you've got airtight storage. Now, my sister-in-law had got similar things for her husband, and he had MS. So I kind of thought that these would be really good for when I get the joint pain, which means I don't have to worry about. My son used to screw the coffee jar really tightly, and I couldn't open it. And some days if my hands are really sore, I struggle to open it anyway. So I'm glad I got these. I've shared a bit about the background with you. I could have just showed you them. I also got these colour catchers. Now I was going to buy another brand of colour catchers, and they had 50, and I think it was for £5 for the 50. But these were much cheaper, so I got 2 packs and got the 60, and I saved myself a little bit of money. So yeah, these are fantastic. I'm OCD about my washing anyway. I would never mix colours and whites or jeans and towels anyway, but if I'm doing an orange and red wash, I'll pop a colour catcher in. So yeah, I'm a bit OCD with my washing. I hate to say it. I got my first Christmas card. I'm sorry. I had to, didn't I? I also picked up, because I'm so clumsy, I couldn't lift my feet out the shower and I cut my toe the other day there. So I picked up some water resistant Elastoplast. Yeah, I'm finding I need more plasters in the house now than I did when the boys were wee. Brandon was obsessed with plasters. Picked up some. I've got 3 different types here of Skinny Whip. I have the strawberry and chocolate one. I have the mint and dark chocolate one. That's gorgeous. It's like a chewy after-eight, really nice. And the double chocolate snack bar. I think it's about £1 a packet, but they're all under 100 calories. And they're chewy, which they're not chewy like toffee, but they're chewy, so you kind of feel like you are getting some eating there. Oh, I've picked these up. My husband loves these. It's flapjacks, chocolate flavoured coated flapjacks. So I picked up a few of those. I'll shove them in the cupboard. I think they're only about 30p. I do have my receipt somewhere. I can never find anything when I'm looking at the receipt, to be honest with you. So yeah, the Skinny Whips are £1. Yeah, anyway. So I picked up refills for my Dishmatic, 2 refills, which is handy. I love these things. You just pop washing up liquid in them, and you just kind of scrub your plate or your dishes or whatever. And they're non-scratch as well, but they've got that green pad that helps for any tough bits. So yeah, I like those. I just never use my dishwasher. In fact, if we ever get the kitchen remodeled, I wouldn't replace the dishwasher. I picked up this block nose relief, and it's a nasal spray. It's good for when you have colds or hay fever or your nose is just blocked. As you know, I kind of, well, you might not know, but I suffer really badly with allergies. I'm allergic to everything. I take a really strong antihistamine, but sometimes that's not enough. So I thought that would come in handy, or as the cold and kind of flu season is coming round. And I also picked up these bags. as well. I don't have a bin as such, I just use a bag and then bin it at the end of the day. I also put food in the food waste, so there's nothing kind of food wise, so there's nothing to sit and smell, but so yeah, so I picked these up just for the rubbish. Now I no longer use my carrier bags, and it's really thin, and I think it's recycled plastic, or the last ones I bought were. Now I picked a couple of these up and I popped one in already. I think it was 3 for £5. The Febreeze bathroom air fresheners. Now you don't need batteries or anything with them. What you do is you click that blue button at the back with both your thumbs. You click it and then it releases a smell. And then what you do after that is you just click the front. Now I put it downstairs in my cloakroom, but it was too strong for a small bathroom. So what I've actually done is I've put it in my spare room at the back. I know it says it's a bathroom air freshener, but I thought it'd be quite nice just to have that room smelling nice. So I got wild berries and I got white jasmine. So it says 2 in 1 here, eliminates and prevents odours from lingering, and it's up to 45 days. But you just press the front and it refreshes it. It's quite strong. The next item I got are the bathroom wipes. So it says perfect for cleaning, removing soap, scum, dirt, lime scale, basins, taps, bathtubs, walls and bathroom furniture. I use those to clean the toilet. So I'll put my cleaning product on and I'll wipe round with this just to save going near it with a cloth or anything, and I can throw this out. But I throw it in the bin, I don't put it down the toilet because these wipes usually have plastic in them, so they're not designed to go down the loo. So just remember that, pop them in the bin. I picked up some spare toothbrushes because I used the last ones. Just always keep a set spare in case the boys come over and they forget their toothbrush or whatever. Now I picked these up, I think these were $2.99. It's Surf and it's a 2-in-1 capsules. Now I know somebody said to me recently, don't use the capsules in your washing machine. Because I think it can kind of clog it up, but I wanted to try these. So they're the coconut bliss ones, and I'm going to open them. And I do like the 2-in-1. Usually I just use the liquid. I've used soap powder for years, but now I use the liquid that goes in. But I wanted to try these. Oh, they smell amazing. Just remind me of holiday. It's just coconut. So yeah, looking forward to trying those on my washing. I also picked up the Colgate Sensitive with Sensifoam. I've never tried this one before, but I'm looking forward to trying it. I do suffer with sensitive teeth. I picked up, I managed to get hold of one, Dettol Surface Cleaner Antibacterial. So it's got no bleach, no taint, no odour. Quite often I just use an antibacterial in the kitchen, but because of COVID and everything, they don't always kill viruses. So this one does kill viruses, which is why I picked it up. I also picked up this, I use this for my floors and things. It's the Fabulosa disinfectant, but this one is unicorn dust. No more smelling of pine forests in this house. So it kills 99.9% bacteria, cleans and shines, eliminates odours and long lasting freshness. And this makes up to 10 litres and the smell is gorgeous. Probably shouldn't be sniffing it. Again, to me it's like Parma Violets. If you don't like Parma Violets you won't like this. But it's lovely and sweet, so I had to try that. I have the Fabulosa spray and lemon, and I think I got Brandon and Antonia the unicorn dust Fabulosa spray, and it smells amazing. Now I was telling you in my empties video that I love this Garnier hair mask. So it's a 3-in-1 hair mask and it's called Hair Food, Papaya and Alma. It's for damaged hair. This is my favourite one of the whole range. You can use it as a conditioner, you can use it as a leave-in, and you can use it as a mask. Now if I'm using it as a mask, I leave it in overnight. I do that with all my hair masks. Towel dry it, comb it, leave it in. I also picked up this Original Source. As you know this, if you know me, this is one of my favourite shower gels. It's a shower milk, cherry and almond bark. It is amazing. Cherry and almond bark? Where's cherry and almond milk? bark. I picked up a Right Guard Women antiperspirant. Got a nice fresh smell to it. I also picked up another shower gel, and its original source, and it's lime and coconut milk. Two of my favourite fragrances. Smells lovely. And I've got two more things. I have now I need to get to Boots to pick up my nail polish removers, but I wanted to have some just in case. So it's the little, there's 40 in there, 40 pads. So it says peach fragrance, so it's the nail polish removing pads. So I'll let you know how I get on with that. Now, this was $2.99, but I'd seen it all over kind of Facebook and Instagram, and it's the Lenor Crease release. Now, I've got a couple of shirts that I'm a bit unsure about putting an iron on because of the material, and I've hung them up, but they've still got the creases in them, so I really wanted to try this, and I wanted to see if it was as good as everybody. I'd seen somebody use it on their duvet covers and things, which I normally iron, or I get Steve irons now. I can't stand and do the iron anymore. It smells lovely, gold orchid, but yeah, I can show you, I can do a review video of this and let you know how I get on with it. Yeah, $2.99, but I'm looking forward to trying it. Probably going to say, I can hear some folks saying, just get the iron out, stop being lazy. But yeah, during lockdown, ironing has not really been happening in my house. Everything got ironed before, jammies, bed linen, you name it. But we're liberated. We're just hanging stuff up once it's dry. It's great. So yeah, I wanted to try that on the crumpled, you know when you over tumble dry something, like your bed sheets and stuff. I want to try it on that, and I also want to try it on that top. So I'll do, if you want, I'll do a wee review video on that. So that is my Home Bargains haul, and thank you very much for watching. I get so excited when I get to go to Home Bargains, and I love seeing what other people pick up in Home Bargains. They had all their Christmas stuff in as well. So the next trip I do, I'll probably focus less on cleaning and household stuff and more on picking up bits and pieces for Christmas. So anyway guys, thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.